In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch your Google account on the Chrome browser in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you use more than one Google account for work, school, YouTube, or personal browsing, because Chrome makes it easy to jump between profiles without constantly signing out and signing back in. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You should see your profile icon there, which is usually a circular picture or an initial. This icon sits right next to the three-dot menu. Click on that profile icon to open your Chrome profile menu. Now you'll see the different profiles available in Chrome. Look under the section labeled Other Profiles. This is where Chrome shows the other accounts or browsing profiles that are already set up on your device. To switch accounts, simply click the profile you want to use. As soon as you select it, Chrome will open a new window instantly with that profile. You do not need to restart the browser or sign out of your current account manually. If the Google account you want is not listed, don't worry, there is still an easy way to add it. At the bottom of the profile menu, click plus Add Chrome Profile. This will start the setup process for a new browser profile. Next, choose Sign In and log into your other Google account. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the sign-in process, and once it's finished, that account will be added as a separate Chrome profile. After that, you can switch between accounts anytime by clicking the profile icon in the top right corner and selecting the profile you want. This is one of the fastest ways to keep your browsing data, bookmarks, history, and extensions organized across different Google accounts. And that's it. Now you know how to switch your Google account on Chrome browser, whether the profile is already there or you need to add a new one. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.